Thursday is for you, and I didn't like anxiety of the day we met, and then you told me how the stats of Indombi has gone down with the lockdown and so this is just appreciation lunch from my heart to you, running now and saying whatever that we'll discuss here, I want to go out there to other women or to other Batabasha and say, what is your message or your legacies? Because your other life, I think now is, you exiting. What legacy do you want to leave? And what do you want to say to your children and so forth? So I think this is the beginning. And I think when I told to be more, but I think I handpicked you guys in this side, in your careers, in how you have, sparked the attention, and so forth. And I didn't want it to see the hands, this table, hands intimate. So I want to welcome you, and I want you to enjoy it. And I just want you to really relax as much as the environment, but I want you to really feel comfortable and then to discuss and then eat and then enjoy.
I won't go.
Sean.
Okay, so here's the floor. I've been asking you guys questions, and is there any questions for me?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. Oh, which one? Oh, yeah.
You can never be ready to take that step in life. Yes, you must start. And we have the situation in of which
Shut us, boy.
Even a bad image ends up being
Yeah.
We don't know yet asinabo ubufazi.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Abukho ubufazi ngaphakathi. So how did you know?
Ukuthi
Now I'm ready. I can do this and kizohlala whatever that comes with this decision that I'm taking. I'm willing to live up to it.
okay.
Before you watch this video, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video from this channel.
So first and foremost, I think that I found kakhulu is being you and connecting with nature and knowing the roots in the yakho, you know, kuba umuntu. So ngiyakholela kakhulu, you know, ekhahleni, you understand, and ngiyakholela kakhulu emkhulekweni. So when I met Undabezitha, the very first day, I didn't know what he was sending a signal, but I think that moment I lived in Urunkulu, I had the outer body experience. The noise around and nanani, people were excited and I didn't have it. Hence, mangabe exoxa story as young because the confidence you had. Wonke umuntu uyavoshoka, you understand, ucela isithombe with me, and when you just don't care. You just sit down, wakhuluma nalo muntu omaziyo. You had to be stopped. You had to be stopped. Ukuthi yeah, thiwa hawu phela sorry kuhleli sinabani. So I think that day uNkulunkulu knew ukuthi why I had the outer body experience. Mhlawumbe sinesifiso nami ngangoba ifan mhlawumbe ngivoshoke nami mhlawumbe ngicela isithombe mhlawumbe bese angabi na interest or whatever, I don't know. But I think one thing that sparked him is the character of this person, you know, how body posture and how she talks, and really she doesn't even, you know. So when he said, hence, after my kuluma, what is he saying? Even though you know, young shoot and but the picture, I hope I find that laptop because I lost the laptop. The picture was very nervous. Because I didn't understand why he would ask a picture of me when everyone in the room is asking a picture of him, you know. So, and then I prayed. I prayed for so many years. But as the years are going, it's the more I'm falling for him. It's the more I'm realizing. Now remember, it's dating experience I don't have. No, I was praying for Unkulunkulu. And now remember, Unkulunkulu doesn't work in the physical, it's about the spiritual world. So, you understand what you see in the movies, you meet your personality, you know. It doesn't work like that. It works with reality. So I prayed, you know, I don't know how fast now. Lord, if when you are saying you are positioning me here and I'm fit to face whatever that's around him or what, so be it. Because when I and he's a very patient person. Yeah, we are because you get attention and me as a, you know, very loving person. So, and then also one thing that I want to share around the table is that I want you guys to date as much as you can. And I'm not saying now hambani nibe uvanzi out there. No. Proper dating. Proper having coffee, proper having lunches, because the more you expose yourself, it's the more you see what goes on and no. I'm sure smile, you get what I mean.
Yeah.
So I think I just had one boyfriend and I'm the whole year because I can always so get to school and even though she didn't mention go to matric or university, but in my head I was like. So that guy only see for a couple of months, first year, so it's basically from January until June-ish, and then September. So it just went there naturally. But what I really appreciate of him, the patience and never felt under pressure, never felt around him. Hey, maybe some other woman is better than manje, because when I remember the prominent person of his caliber, and an opportunity CV. It's always a CV. It's always, and it was it was a heart and innocent I was, you know, young I was, and I think
even though sometimes the nation doesn't give you the opportunity to get and learn this person, but umuntu oneqiniso knows ukuthi no, this is really genuine, because you know, I didn't know, I didn't have no experience. I just saw one person nakona, it's just a long distance manani, and but not really into it's serious if you just, you know, enjoy. So to answer you, it was never now I'm sitting down, now I'm deciding. I prayed and I prayed about it, and how it just smooth. It just smooth. I'm a hums and all the dynamics I'm facing. It only began after I was exposed to the world. But when we were living in our own bubble, it was a perfect world. Perfect, because we attended big functions. And I'm why you always go to VIP? Because go to president. So why not? You know, and they wouldn't. So he would like literally physically send me invites. Magnum accreditation, he would, you understand? Mayangena at a stadium, he would call me. When the call, I'm like, but dude, I see Jay. You know, I know you're again. No, so you're again. So it was a perfect little cute abantu who were in love until people came in and they busted out. Yeah, so but it was never lengthy. It gave me time. We spoke things through the families, and you know, when you're just in love and when you just, because as a woman you have values and principles. You know, we look for a person. That one thing I forgot to prayer is the age and the occupation.
That's like a specific
you don't pray because someone is going to take care of you, and then the next thing you are in a 2 billion or a 3 billion house in Dubai and it's not there because it's too busy. We understand. So that's why, ladies, you need to be specific. You need to be janjani and so hence I'm saying, if there's one thing you would say, maybe it's to undo. I would say maybe it's to redo my prayer. There's no regret at all, because remember, long time has got dynamics. But njengoba kusho sinesifisa ukuthi mina ngathatha decision ngathi hayi nanoma ikuphi phela marriage nomshado awunikwa i-manual. Kufana nokuletha umntwana emhlabeni, awunika i-manual ukuthi ke alright, now umshado wakho uzohamba so now wena mhlambe mase kunjani wena kufanele wenze nje. It's something that you deal with. It's something that you deal with along the way. Next question. A question, Yolanda? It's in her body. It's still house now.
I did.
Are you sure you done a question? How? I just spoke more. Oh my word, like I'm so shocked. Because this is an engagement. Kunjani kuba mama? Yo, very hard. Angiza?
I feel like but you enjoy motherhood. That's what I'm
I enjoy it. Yeah, like it comes konamanje. My son is only 2, but I've had 5 nannies already. Because abanye they come and then I am too nice. You know, so I call them CC, I treat them, on my birthdays, they go to spas, you know, I do all these things. And then umuntu bese messa nje ukuthi uzengana. Omunye afike angayi-understand ingane yami, you know, ukuthi ingane yami iyodwa mina, you know, and ispace sakhe kukubo lana ujayele ukuhlala yedwa, une-lifestyle yakhe, uthatha ama-walks, nini uyasnacka isikhathi sokuthi uthatha omunye doesn't understand ukuthi usakhe usemkhombeni yangu, uyakhomba nani, hamba, usefuna uthatha i-walk, phuma, hamba, you know, and he understands. Mangabe kufike usisi mangikhona mina uzongiyekela, or I'm busy, you know, on my phone because I'm running my own business myself and stuff. So uzongi-understand bese ecela u-antathi akakwazi kahle ukukhuluma, so it's those challenges. But I think umntwana, it's a very sensitive thing that ngempela it's not easy. I mean, for me it's really not easy. And I remember I once posted something. And when I posted something, I posted Ngubaba Kasaka, like me being, well, it was not about him, but about Jiga. I was posting ukuthi I'm a single parent. And I'm not saying he's absent, but I'm saying he's not, yes, of course, you know, I mean, he's so, like, literally just yesterday or the day before yesterday, then I just wanted to talk to you, he's in meetings. Literally, that's the lifestyle. So it's not an ordinary setup. Yeah, understand. So being a mom to a boy and me, you know, I'm very ambitious. I'm very, you know, driven. I'm a woman of vision, and then I need to be busy with so many things. I don't like going to my emails on Monday and there needs to be responses. I propose, I do collabs, I do this and that. So being a mom, it's really the hardest. You need to run a business, you need to make sure the house is clean, you need to cook, you need to wenza local, and now deal nabantu abazokusiza abanye bafike spacing. You know, it's so hard ngoba ngasona sonke isikhathi, whether ngithola umuntu through an agent noma ngikubekisile kuphi, I try ukuthi abantu bangasho ukuthi ngubani, mayithe nje hey uMachonco or uNonkayo umsebenzela, that's it. But I mean, my house has got wall pictures, I try to close that window, angibuzi nje nonsense, because nazi iy'thombe zami and you see iy'moto emnyama zizongena and then you don't, so nabo they see the message through, they understand ukuthi umuntu abone ukuthi hayi la angena, but bese umuntu enza izinto ezifani yabo, and you need to raise someone. So being a mom is challenging, but it's the most beautiful thing ever. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. The feeling, you know, develop umntwana, the first butterflies, what, the face. Yeah, you know, I had a soothe pregnancy because no one knew. That's my mom, my family, Yabonje. So the world didn't know. So I had a peaceful pregnancy until he was born.
Barely gave.
Yeah.
It was fake news, man.
Because you knew me, ne?
And the way what was that, I'm not going to
Hey, poop. Yeah.
Always looking for something to, and they change everything. When I, for example, that picture was posted,
yeah,
and then you knew the how to poster in what way. But everybody just front page Soles, front page Willa. Everybody is just everyone is celebs. Everyone is just everybody has something to say, a different story to say, a speculation of some sort, you know.
But all things work together for the good. Do you know that? As much as Gapumaganjalo, calling the boy gaining from that negativity.
I'm yet to find out, eh?
But there is something.
Yeah, I'm yet to find out.
All things work together for the good. That's one thing I know.
Okay. So I wanna know that okay, so I think you started when you were 4 years. Or grade 4.
Same story now.
Yeah, that was 11.
No, I think it's 6 million. But
njengoba umncane nangani nomzimba babevumela kanjani. Mina ngangisiza ibhodi yabo.
Like
oh yeah.
So most of the time, anybody thinking among solo because sometimes when you're not rough, also born and like very mean
yeah, but look, it's just flesh.
Not right.
Yeah.
That's good. I can imagine. Not right.
But what is one thing that you want to leave? What is one footprint you want to leave in the life of Uhlolo?
Oh. Okay, for me, into engayisho ukuthi ubalekile ukuthi like uyigcina
but as much as ekugcineni kwakho wazi ukuthi ufunani and ube nazo lezi ey'funayo because ekugcineni into enokuthusa ngoba manje le-generation yamanje but kunabantu besifazane abangafunda nokukhuleza abantu bebe nento zabo but umuntu ufuna nje ukushada indoda erichi
bese kuba kanjalo nje angasebenzi
then aphile lelo ukuthi nje uphilele ukuba uwife into kubalulekile ukuthi ezinto besifazane usingele ube nento zakho even if uthola umuntu husband wazi ukuthi nawe uyimele nizobonisana nanokuthi uzobe ungadipendele.
So you want to leave a footprint yokuthi work your way up.
Yes.
Power.